Hello, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your Black Shark Lucifier T2. So first of all, we have to be connected with our device. As you can see, in my case, I'm connected with the Android phone. And of course, we have to get active connection status. Next, we have to click and hold the touchpads, the left and the right, for at least 5 seconds until these earbuds turn off. After that, we have to release touchpads and then click and hold one more time for 10 seconds until they turn off again. And our currently connection will simply disappear. And when you turn them back, you will find out that we will get the new pairing request. So it means that we restore default settings. So let me show you how it works. Click and hold for the 5 seconds when they are turned on. Keep holding. Right now we have to release, then click and hold for 10 seconds. Keep holding. And right now release, and then just simply turn them on. So click and hold until they turns white, release, click for the previously connection, and as you can see we get the new pairing request. So it means that we successfully restore all default settings of our earbuds. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.